Let's talk about the arithmetic expressions. So here's an example of a formula. This is a division. On top of the division, we have 10 times y minus 5. And then in the second parenthesis, we have a plus b plus c. And all this multiplication is divided by x. Now, how do you write this expression in single line? The answer is shown on the last line of the slide. The multiplication operator in Java is star symbol. So 10 times y minus 5 is written as 10 star y minus 5. Y minus 5 is inside a pair of parentheses because y minus 5 has to be calculated before the result can be multiplied by 10. So whenever you want an operation to be done before anything else, you have to put that inside a pair of parentheses. Similarly, a plus b plus c has to be multiplied by the result of the previous multiplication. So we put a plus b plus c inside a pair of parentheses. The use of parentheses here is not different than the use of parentheses in normal arithmetic expressions that you would remember from your math classes. And finally, the whole number is divided by x. So let's look at another example. 9 times inside the parentheses 4 over x plus 9 plus x over y. Now, first thing you need to think is what is the order of the operations? So as you can see, the Java version of this expression is very similar to what you would write if you had to write this operation in a single line. The division operation becomes this small division operation in Java. The only difference here you can see is the use of parentheses, another pair of parentheses around 9 plus x. We have to introduce this because before this last division by y, 9 and x has to be added together. So think about what would happen, how this operation would change if you did not have these parentheses around 9 plus x. Finally, let's put all these together in a large arithmetic expression. It is possible that in a program, you may need to write a very long formula or an expression, and the rules never change. So we have already seen how to write this formula, 3 plus 4x. This is actually 3 plus 4 times x. And this is between the parentheses. And then the whole thing will be divided by 5. And then the second part of this arithmetic expression is subtracted from the first term. So there's a subtraction line here, and then we write the second part of the expression. And then we add the third part of the expression, which is 9 times 4 over x plus 9 plus x divided by y. So the most important thing you have to think when you are writing an arithmetic expression in Java is to think what the order of the operations are. So this is how you create arithmetic expressions in Java. How you learn? You have to practice, practice, practice.